Namaskar, this is Preeti. Hope you are all doing well. Today I want to share you some easy and quick healthy habits for keeping a home clean and tidy at all times. These tips and habits has helped me to maintain a neat and clean home on a daily basis. Cleaning can be overwhelming and off-putting, so incorporate these habits and tips in your life and your home will always be clean and tidy. We often think more about cleaning than actually getting up and doing it. So stop thinking about cleaning, rather get up and do it. So without a further ado, let's get started. My first tip is using cotton bedsheet on this summer. Here I am using this cotton Rajasthani printed bedsheet. The color of this bedsheet is so warm and beautiful, and styled it with white printed cotton pillow and cushion covers, which looks so aesthetic and minimal. हमेशा बेडशीट के साथ मैचिंग पिल्लो कवर्स यूज़ करने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। बेडशीट के साथ आप किसी दूसरा पिल्लो एंड कुशन कवर्स को भी स्टाइल अप कर सकते हो, जिससे एक पॉपअप लुक क्रिएट हो जाता है। In this hot weather, using cotton bed sheets or pillow covers or cushion covers offers several benefits, including breathability, moisture wicking, and a natural cooling effect, ensuring a comfortable and restful sleep. It's 3 o'clock at afternoon. कोलकाता में वेदर दोपहर के वक्त काफ़ी गर्म हो जाती है. समटाइम्स द टेम्परेचर क्रॉस 36 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो ऐसे हॉट टेम्परेचर से प्रोटेक्शन पाने के लिए ब्लैकआउट और एसी कवरेज कर्टेन की बहुत आवश्यकता होती है. माई सेकेंड टिप इज़ यूज़ ब्लैकआउट एंड एसी कवरेज कर्टेन इन दिस समर. Here I am using this AC coverage curtain and I have used it last 2 years and still it's going very well. The quality of these curtains are just beyond of my expectations. Now come to this clever tip, that is ironing. Do your ironing task at afternoon when the AC is on. Normally I do this task at afternoon. गर्मी में ये सबसे बड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क में से एक होती है. Ironing clothes without a fan, especially in hot and humid environment like Kolkata, can be difficult due to increased heat and humidity, which making the process uncomfortable and irritating. So this is the solution. Try to ironing in a cool room or at a time of day when the temperature is lower. The ironing process may take hardly 15 to 20 minutes. उसके बाद आप एक पावर नैप ले सकते हो if needed. The next tip is use this cloth organizer to keep these shirts or t-shirts in an organized way. Organizers may help you to find your clothes very easily without the help of anyone else. And lastly, don't forget to put naphthalene balls in this organizer box, which helps to prevent fungus or insect. Come to the next tips, that is do a nighttime cleaning. Living room is the place when we used to spend most of our times to watching TV, having tea, gossips, etc. etc. which creates a clutter to our home. तो ऐसे में अगर हम रात को सोने से पहले एटलीस्ट सोफ़ा एंड डाइनिंग टेबल को ऑर्गेनाइज करके रख दें तो अगले दिन साफ सफाई की हेडेक काफ़ी हद तक कम हो जाती है. A clean and organized home can help to reduce stress and anxiety, creating a more peaceful and calming environment. A neat and organized home can have a positive impact on mental health, reducing feeling of overwhelm and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. If you make your sofa, clean your dining table, or arrange your chairs on their own place, then you will find a clutter-free home on the very next morning. और ऐसे छोटे छोटे टास्क को अगर हम हैबिट्स में बदल दें तो कभी शायद हमारा घर डर्टी और अनमैनेजेबल होगा ही नहीं. My next and last tip is clean your kitchen, like kitchen countertop, sink, shelves, and gas oven. I believe a clean and tidy kitchen can contribute to a better cooking quality, which may create a relaxing environment free from clutter and dust. It offers numerous benefits, including enhanced hygiene, improved food safety, and a more pleasant and efficient cooking, while also potentially reducing stress and improve mental health. It may help improve indoor air quality by removing dust allergens and odor. Come and have a final look of the home. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन डू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. मिलती हूँ अगले एक नए एपिसोड के साथ. टिल देन शेयर योर लव, स्प्रेड योर ब्लेसिंग्स.